Good readers change the pitch of their voices. Their voices go up or down, depending on the kind of sentence they are reading. Your voice might go down when you're reading a statement, but go up when you're asking a question. I'm going to model this in the teacher read aloud Maglev trains. Have you ever heard of a maglev train? A maglev train is not your ordinary train. First of all, it doesn't even touch the tracks. It actually hovers above them. Second, a maglev train is very, very fast. Unlike ordinary trains, which travel about 150 miles per hour, maglev trains can whiz by you at nearly 350 miles per hour. Just what is a maglev train and how does it work? Maglev is short for magnetic levitation. Magnetic refers to magnets. Levitate means to float in the air. A maglev train uses magnetic forces to float and move above the tracks. Like all magnets, the magnets used in maglev trains have ends or poles. One pole of a magnet is called the north pole. The other pole is called the south pole. Opposite poles of magnets attract each other. Like poles repel or push each other away. In one kind of maglev train, magnets in the train and magnets in the track repel each other. They don't allow the train and the tracks to touch, so the train is held above the tracks. Magnetic forces also pull the train forward. What advantages does a maglev train have over a train that runs on steel tracks? Because a maglev train does not rub against the tracks, it can travel at much higher speeds than an ordinary train. Also, because it does not make contact with the tracks, a maglev train is much quieter than a regular train. Plus, a maglev train doesn't have an engine that burns fuel, so it doesn't pollute the air. How would you like to ride on a maglev train? Now I have some comprehension questions. Remember to pause the video and discuss them with your learning adult, and then come back to the video. How are maglev trains different from ordinary trains? Identify the cause and effect in this sentence from the article. Also, because it does not make contact with the tracks, a maglev train is much quieter than a regular train. Summarize the information about maglev trains.